My lady Arbanville, why do you sleep so still? I'll wake you tomorrow, and you will be my fill. Yes, you will be my fill. My lady Arbanville, why do you treat me so? Your heart seems so silent. Why do you treat me low? Why do you breathe so low? My lady Arbanville, why do you breathe so low? I'll wake you tomorrow, and I will lay my fill. Yes, you will be my fill. My lady Arbanville, you look so cold tonight. My heart is like winter. Your skin has turned to white. Your skin has turned to white. My lady Arbanville, why do you treat me low? I'll wake you tomorrow. I will be my fill. Yes, who will be my fill? La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. My lady Arbanville, you treat me so. Our heart feels like windland. Our babe so low. Why do you breathe so low? I let the lady. Though in your grave you lie, I'll wake you tomorrow. That rose will never die. This rose will never die. I loved you, my lady. Now in the graves you lie, our heart feels so somber. Our bells will never die. This rose will never die.